Good day everyone, and welcome back to Adventures with Parker. Today we are here at Bingemans Park in Kitchener, Ontario. Specifically right now we're in their Big Splash Waterpark, but I mean this place has so much to offer besides this. There's go-karting, there's an arcade, there's mini golf, just a lot to do for the whole family. Anyways, I'm here with my cousins Benny and Vincent, who you've met in previous vlogs, as well as my nieces Leah and Willow. They're off running around in the water park and we'll join them in just a second. But yeah, I'm really excited to explore this place. I've been here a couple times in the past, but not for a long time. Like it's been like 5 or 8 years since my last visit. So yeah, I'm really excited just to explore the park and see what's new and introduce my cousins and nieces to this place as well. So without any further ado, let the Bingeman adventures begin. Speaking of the devil, here is my stepdad Jaron and my mom. They're headed up to the splash pad where I think my nieces are right now. Yeah. And we are headed up to the Cyclone. Benny, how was that? You survived the cyclone.
It was fun.
It looks like it.
Really?
Yeah.
It's cold.
I take it Vincent's gonna be dropping next?
I hope so.
All right.
I hope he's not too scared. He's afraid of heights.
Oh, true.
Oh, you're so cold. Oh, that's so cold.
Vincent, you survived the cyclone!
Ow! Ow, that hurt! Oh, that thing was so bumpy.
Okay, and then up here, they have the splash pad for the kids. I think the bucket's about to go. We have Leah and Willow here. Willow, what do you think of the splash pad?
Good.
Good, that's awesome. Oh yeah, here he comes. Yeah, it's a big bucket. You got soaked! And there they go. Alright, I'm watching. Whoa, big splash. We're gonna go down? Okay. Alright, here comes Leah. Whoa, another big splash. All right, we're ready. Nice. That looks like fun. What's your favorite part about the water park?
Probably the wave pool.
The wave pool? Yeah, that's pretty fun.
I'm gonna go down this slide.
Oh, okay. Woo! Meanwhile, these two are just relaxing and having a grand old time by the wave pool. Amazing. When we came here a few years ago, this was our spot too.
I know, right? Yeah, we saw it. Yeah.
Okay, so next up we're going to head over to the Boomerango, which is the big purple, I believe it's made by Whitewater West, but it's the big boomerang slide, as the name suggests. It was always a favorite of mine during my last couple of visits, and I imagine that tradition is going to be carried on today. Yeah, that slide's always so fun. Although I have noticed that you go a bit higher and a bit further, the heavier a tube is. So if you're in pairs or you just have heavier people in the tube, it tends to be a bit of a better experience. So I went down by myself. So yeah, I'm gonna have to find one of the kids to go with me now. So the last time I was here, there was another water slide on this hill called the Pipeline. There's just a big body slide in this big tube. Like it looked like you were going through sewer pipes almost. But it seems to have been removed since then. And I have seen signs saying that they are preparing for our future enjoyment. So I imagine the park is getting ready to add a brand new water slide sometime in the near future. I also got to point out that Bingemans also has one of these multi-lane mat racer slides, but I haven't seen anyone go down in a while. So, oh wait, I think I see some people. And yeah, that's really all the slides there are here at Bingemans. It's not a big water park, but as you can see, they do have some really fun offerings, and there is something for everyone here, which I really like. Yeah, even though there aren't a copious amount of water slides to choose from, you could spend hours here just the same. This is cool. They have a little cove thing in here. Whoa, the waves are going too. You can really feel them in this little channel thing. Enjoying the wave pool, I see. Hello. Could I get the three of you to pose for me? Very cute.
I'm just gonna lay down.
That sounds like fun. I should have been recording, but Leah here won a rubber ducky at the claw game. She was amazing.
Is he drunk?
Sorry?
Is he drunk?
Is he drunk?
Yeah.
I mean, he looks a little wonky.
I'm pretty sure he's a zombie.
Maybe. Who knows? Oh, they also have axe throwing here. That's very fun. Looks like over here they have an XD ride from Triotech, same people who made Wonder Mountain's Guardian at Canada's Wonderland. So you sit in these seats and yeah, you get to do a little 4D ride. And there's a similar thing over here. This one's D-Box and it looks like you use these virtual reality helmets, but this one is themed to the Raving Rapids. Duck's reading a book. So cute. Yeah, we're gonna, oh, we got it. Oh, so close. Benny also played the duck game. That seems to be a popular one tonight, and she won this adorable square duck. What'd you call it?
Minecraft creeper thing.
Okay. Yes, that's very cute. I love it.
I wanted to at least get something.
Yeah, of course. All right, Vincent and I are going to do my favorite arcade game, Jurassic Park Raw Thrills. Let's do it. Oh, we're switching sides.
It works. Fun works. Thank you.
Did you have a good time, Benny?
Yes.
Amazing. Vincent, what did you think of your day at Bingemans?
It was good, but my neck hurts.
Your neck hurts? Why does your neck hurt?
When I was in the playground, I kept on tripping and falling on my face.
Oh, well, that's not good.
And just falling in general.
Willow, how's your day at Bingemans?
Good. Fun.
And Leah's in the car, but I'm sure she would say the same thing too. We all had an amazing day today here at Bingemans, from the water park to the FunworX Arcade to these guys going in the play stretcher. It was just an awesome time. But that brings us to the end of today's adventure. If you would like to see more theme park travel, local, and outdoor adventures, be sure to subscribe. You can also find me on social media at A2B Parker. And big shout out to my Patreons for all of the support you guys give me. I appreciate you all so much. Once again, thank you so much for joining me. And until next time,
The adventures are calling.